Hey everyone, welcome to GEEKERMAG. In today's video, you will learn step-by-step instructions and easy way on how to make man in Infinite Craft. But before we move forward, if you find this video useful in any way, please consider subscribing to the channel as this encourages us in creating more similar videos. Alright, put fire on the empty space and add wind to get smoke. Put water on the empty space and add fire to get steam. Then add earth to get mud. After that, put wind on the empty space and add earth to get dust. Then add earth to get planet. Put smoke on the empty space and add water to get fog. Combine fog and planet to get Venus. Then add mud to get Adam. And then add earth to get man. So this is how you can make man in Infinite Craft. So that's all about this video. If you find this video useful, don't forget to like this video and subscribe the channel for getting notifications about more similar videos. Thanks for watching.